So where we are right now is an original Confederate rifle pit in front of Redoubt 4 here at Blakely Battlefield. You can see it's a continual line of advanced positions in front of the main line. I'm going to tell you about the anatomy of this thing. It would have been a foot or two deeper in its original condition. It would have had head logs, as you see, sandbags spaced in between the gaps. The loopholes probably wouldn't have been that wide exposed. In the floor of the rifle pit, within the last 2 years, a friend of mine told me about this. It would have been slanted to each side with a hole on each end for your latrine and runoff, rain won't run off. So that's basically the anatomy of a rifle pit. You didn't want to stand up like I am. You would have wanted to been down here, not standing up. And when it's time to deliver your fire, that's when you expose yourself. These were manned by 3 to 5 men at each time, and when they were relieving them, they were doing it at night, and the Confederate soldiers were crawling on their hands and knees from the main line back and forth. That's how they relieve the guys in the pits. So that's that.